how you can use Stable Diffusion in Google Colab. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, you open your browser and go to GitHub. Now, you scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the link for Stable Diffusion with Diffusers. Once you click the Open in Colab link, a Jupyter notebook opens on Google Colab. Then in Google Colab, you go to the Runtime menu and select Change Runtime Type. After that, you make sure GPU is selected as the hardware accelerator and then click Save. Once that is set, under the Setup section, you click the Play button to run the first script. After that, you wait for the script to complete, and you see a check mark. Now run the next script to install the diffusers. After that, scroll down to the Stable Diffusion pipeline section and run that script. Then run the next script to move the pipeline to the GPU for better performance. Once that is done, you're ready to generate your first image using Stable Diffusion. Now you can use the default prompt or change it to get a different image. And that's it. That's how you can use Stable Diffusion in Google Colab.